Morning, guys. Cheers. I thought we were gonna get some snow last night, but it doesn't look like it. It's brisk, cold, and brisk. But the coffee's helping. This time I just brought my little, what are they called, little sternos? I just brought a little sterno, a part of my wood stove, put it over it, let it get nice and hot, put my coffee on. I didn't even get my water to boil. This is really just black coffee. All I did was get it nice and hot, and then poured the grounds in, stirred it up, and I'm gonna be good to go. This is my stealth coffee. It's just to get me going. But as soon as I get this in me, I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit.